Hi and welcome to PM Coding Tutorials. In today's JavaScript Exercises and Solutions video, we will be tackling this task. If you haven't answered the question yet, feel free to pause the video first and resume once you are ready. So the correct solution is undefined. Although within the function 1 plus 1 is added together, due to the missing return statement, the outcome of this calculation is not sent back to the result variable where the assignment occurs. If you forget to include the return statement or simply add return without it being followed by any value, the function will implicitly return undefined. To illustrate, I have the browser's console open. You can see that when I call the add function, undefined gets logged. If I add another function called add2 and this time include the return statement, the result of 1 plus 1 is actually sent back by the function. So, to summarize, when you don't return something explicitly with the return statement, the function will return undefined instead. To take my complete JavaScript quiz from which I have taken this question, you can visit pmcoding.co.uk/trickyjs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I regularly post front-end tutorials. For any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.